Welcome to Inside xtUML DIY. My name is Dean MacArthur, and I will be your host for this episode. An important contribution made by the xtUML open source community is the sharing of information, whether it be through newsletters, forum discussions, online seminars, or articles. Recently, a community-led project to create an online training curriculum delivered its first course, and this episode is dedicated to learning more about what the project has achieved so far. To answer my questions and fill in the details, I'm joined by the project leader, Keith Brown, and he will be joining us via video conference. Welcome, Keith, and thank you for participating in this episode of Inside xtUML DIY. To begin our discussion, I understand the establishment of training courses was the result of a community project. Keith, can you share with us some of the details of how this project got started?
We saw the proliferation of the idea of a MOOC, a massive open online course, as a great opportunity to expand user knowledge of xtUML. And by putting all of our information on YouTube and then creating a online course structure on xtUML.org, we can provide a guided tutorial for new users, as well as provide a lot of information for experienced users to access in video form in a reference format later. We had XML experts from around the globe, actually spanning 3 continents, all participate in creating new content for this online course, and we continue to plan to use the community to build up additional content for the course.
Keith, you mentioned that the project is to create a curriculum of courses, covering a range of xtUML topics. At this time, how much of the curriculum is completed, and what topics are covered?
What is covered in the course? The course covers everything starting at the very basics, from the installation of XTML editor, and takes the user all the way through how to perform various modeling tasks, and then it even gets into advanced usage with Bridgepoint with the verifier and the model compilers.
This first course seems quite extensive. Do you see the intended audience as only newcomers to xtUML? Or is there something for current xtUML modelers as well?
It's both, actually, and equally. The content is all in video format on YouTube, so that makes a good reference platform, but it's also inside of the Learning Management System course structure on xtml.org, and we can therefore take users end to end and give them a good teaching experience.
How can a community member get access to the materials? What if you are not yet a member of the community?
Yeah, the material is freely available on the web, so anyone with an internet connection is welcome to participate.
So once I'm a member, can I go directly to the first unit of the course?
Yeah, that's a good question. Let me just show you. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to xtml.org and then log in. Once you've logged in, go to the Learn and then Online Courses and Tutorials link. And here you will see the courses that are available to you. We have, of course, the Modeling with XTML course. And this is where the user simply gets started.
So getting started and progressing through the modules is just that easy. Are there plans to add new sections to the course?
Yeah, the course is not meant to be entirely static, so I expect that there will be additions to the course in the future, both new modules as well as expanding on existing modules.
What about plans for additional courses in the curriculum?
Yeah, we certainly have the ability and the desire to add more courses, especially add more content to the XTML editor developer course to encourage more people to get involved on the development end.
So there's more work to be done before this project is completed. If I want to get involved, what should I do or who should I contact?
We would encourage anyone who's interested and willing to participate in expanding this content to contact admin@xtml.org. Let us know what you're interested in and what you think you can help out with.
Thank you, Keith, for joining me and updating everyone on the progress being made to complete the xtUML curriculum. This concludes another episode of Inside xtUML DIY, and thank you for joining me.